Do you guys need me to work this December? Like, do you need videos this December? It's the 48th week of December. So our December started in January, but this time it's really the real December. So we it's been party after party. Do you guys really need me here? If not me, then when? I'm critical but stable. But someone went all the way to Cape Town because her man said good night at 5. Mina ngiyakuzo sisi wami. Ngiyaku-understand sisi wami. Amukela kwinkqubo yami bomntaba kadadi, bomntaba kagogo, bomntaba ka-auntie, bomntaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister. Guys, please let's work together this December. If I can't sing something, you take over. If I can't do something, you take over. Don't forget that I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. Please come and promote. Please come and support. Milling you keep a Malay by. Milling you keep a Malay by. So please support the channel. It's very imperative. Ne? Yenina. Yo! Please listen to the story. This gorgeous girl. She's gorgeous when she's single. When she's in a relationship, akafogofi use OR Tambo, 55 kilometers from Lanseria. Uyangizwa? She's dating this guy, rude, arrogant, mara. So this guy is in Cape Town, right? And then fine. It's going, until it's not going. Tell me why this chain takes this lady and says to her, baby, there is load shedding here. I will talk to you tomorrow. They say that the power outage will be happening for about 18 hours. They'll be fixing it for the next 18 hours. My battery is low. I am sleeping now. Good night. I love you. We'll talk during the day tomorrow at 5:44 p.m. This girl said, huh? She said what? By the time she's responding, it was just one tick. You know what she did? She did exactly what Sims would do, but she do it slower. She packed her clothes, went to Park Station. My sister, you can't call it an emergency and hop on a bus. No, she took a 16-hour, 30-minute bus to go all the way to Cape Town because her man said good night at 5. Okay, she gets to Cape Town. She gets to the venue. You know what I loved about her? She was updating us part 1, part 2, part 3. She gets to Cape Town. She gets to the man's house. He won't open the door. On top of that, he is doing the Vinky Vongo. He is in a private part collaboration. Okay, his voice and a frying pan are busy. She's outside the door, listening, hearing the girl breathing. You know, when you're going through it, you can even hear what this breath is 168 beats per minute, or they have changed the style. They are doing the helicopter now, they are doing the microwave when you're going through it. She knocks. She's becoming a wild one. Yeah, she's unleashed. She's unhinged. What happens next? The boyfriend calls the police. Yebo gets her arrested. This girl is in Cape Town, in a foreign police station, world renowned at Tableview, Cape Town. Bambope Usisi. When she's being held there, the man does not come to his senses, but he feels some slight guilt. I don't even think he has feelings. He goes to the police station and what he's like, no, it's fine. You can let her go. I will make sure she's on the bus and I will book her a place to sleep so you can let her go. The police say, okay, this is a domestic squabble. Hambani. When they get to the car, this guy is like, since I did you that favor, do me a favor. And this girl is like, what? He's like, do me the stock sweet. I'm a fan. Hate them so much. He's like, yeah, Ganjal, you were just cheating on me with your voice. I don't even know if that voice was wearing a vest. And then I must put my beautiful straight teeth that DJ Zinhle's husband went to fetch and take it. on your voice. I would just to bite it, put me back in the police station. And then he's not sorry. Don't even think he's sorry. Oh no, he's not. Before we carry on with this video, we have got the lovely Pebbles. Sana energy, personality. It's like watching Sims, but in a more like adult centered. She shares stories about human beings. Like guys, I'm gonna name channel. Like from stories of humanity, stories of doing good. Like we really live amongst good people. I forget because we are surrounded by Ramaphosa and Maumel. I forget that they're really nice people in Sauda. So please go over to her channel, support her, tell her that Sim sent you over there. Nyanas, no, no. Bye.
Management, dumelang. I hope you are all good. Nna ka lebitso ke Pebble from channel e bitswang Pebble le Diamonds mona mo YouTube. Mo channeleng ya rona re bua ka batho ba tshwanang le rona le lona because we believe our each and every story is important irrespective of who you are kapo where you come from. So please ke a kopa guys, please support our channel by subscribing and sharing and just helping it to grow hle guys. Ke kopa ho le leboha in advance because I know you will not let me down. Thank you. Bye.
Now, as they're in the car, this girl is like, did you see what you've done to me? You've broken me. You finished me. Abraham. His name is Abraham. Out of all the names, his name had to be Abraham. Why not Musa Kawula? Why not Innocent? Because even Black Coffee's name is Innocent. It's fine. Abraham Ati. So you want me to be sorry?
No, there's no such thing.
What's that?
There's no such.
What do you mean there's no such?
No, there's no such. It's just that whatever that you're doing, it's not on. It's not on. I'm just.
So and then don't ignore him when you're ignoring me.
No, I'm not ignoring you. I tried to answer, but then I'm really not happy at all, Shum. I understand. Is it you, really, that okay?
What's that?
I'm gonna sleep now, and but I'm tired. My body is sore. I'm having pains all over, so I need to bath and relax. Because body I can look.
Yep.
Rap.
You're not saying I think we're okay, Shab. I have to. A driver, no, you're not answering your calls. I've been trying to call you. Call again, John. I'm picking up my brother there. I hope we shall.
Even when I talk about boys, I just get the injury. You guys remember when I paid for bail with my money for rent, and then when he came out, he went to his other girlfriend's house. You guys remember that? And I was errors, yeah, those student accommodations. You guys remember my I'll never forget 3,150. What's he? Oh babe, I have no one besides you. You know, it's always me and you through thick and thin. And I was dating that one I used to work at work. So he's like, by tomorrow, I'll have this money. Just come here with your ID. I had to go there with my ID because I was Nandi Bama Kutumane and it's me. Mahamba, Mayala police station. Brixton, Mayo keeper EO, Yam, that I thought was my O because one frying pan, one verse. Can't it never? It's not like that. Keeper umfana. And tomorrow was deadline for rent. And my mother and my sister, they are working hard to keep me there at student accommodation. Umfana, as soon as he got out of the jail, wire to his other girlfriend's house. What about my money? He said, I've always given you money. So it's part of my money. Your money is my money. Yeah. Then I had to find another one that works at work to pay for my rent. And then now I don't want to date this one. I'm crying for that one. But that one, Intersections. We didn't really watch Intersections because this one, he wants me, but I don't want him. I want this one, but this one wants that one. This one only likes me when that one is not available. But me, I'm always available for this one, but I'm not available. Please, it's December. Don't do all this nonsense. Anyway, guys, that lady back in the arms. Yes, she's back with her man. So we are just talking because it's a story. But Abantombazana, there's nothing you can tell a woman that's in love. Just like there's nothing you can tell a man that is in Hollywood bed. Akafuna goes on next. So let's talk in the comment section down below. I know she's not the only one. What have you done for the divorce in the frying pan? What have you done? And then I couldn't by me pay. If this story was not about me, I was just telling you, Uguti, I understand, but I don't. Because that was me 13 years ago. Yeah, now why? No, so many judge, but I'm just all right. Okay, no, bye bye.